In the modern automotive world, where compact SUVs dominate city streets and highways alike, very few vehicles manage to feel truly special. Most follow the same formula: safe designs, predictable shapes, and familiar features. But what you're seeing today is something different. This is not just another crossover. This is a bold reimagining of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, transformed into a pearl-white luxury wide-body concept that blends aggression, elegance, and future-ready design. From the first moment it enters the frame, this vehicle commands attention. Let's begin with the overall presence. The pearl-white luxury paint immediately sets the tone. This is not an ordinary white. It's a deep, reflective finish that changes character with light. Under the sun, it glows with a premium shimmer. Under shadows, it takes on a clean, sophisticated depth. This color choice elevates the Corolla Cross into a higher visual class, making it feel closer to a luxury SUV than a compact crossover. Now, move your focus to the front fascia. The ultra-slim LED headlights are sharp and modern, giving the car an intense, focused expression. They stretch outward like precision blades, emphasizing width and confidence. Between them sits a massive black front grille, subtly accented with red details that hint at performance DNA. The Toyota logo stands proudly at the center, anchoring the design with brand identity and trust. This front end doesn't just look aggressive, it looks intentional. Every line, every angle feels engineered for impact. As we transition to the side profile, the wide-body kit becomes the star of the design. Extended fenders push the body outward, giving the Corolla Cross a muscular, planted stance. The lowered ride height further enhances this look, making the vehicle feel closer to the road, more connected, more performance-oriented. The oversized 5-spoke, deep-dish black alloy wheels perfectly complement the pearl-white body. They add contrast, depth, and visual strength. Behind them, the red brake calipers introduce a bold accent, small in detail, but powerful in effect. It's these subtle performance touches that turn a good design into a memorable one. The side view also highlights the vehicle's balance. Despite its aggressive stance, the Corolla Cross maintains clean proportions. It looks sporty without sacrificing elegance, strong without becoming overwhelming. Now, let's talk about the rear design. The sculpted rear bumper continues the wide-body theme, giving the car a solid, grounded finish. The LED taillights are sleek and modern, glowing with confidence, especially in low light conditions. At night, they create a distinctive signature: recognizable, premium, and futuristic. The rear view reminds us that this concept is designed to impress from every angle. Whether the car is approaching you or driving away, it leaves a lasting impression. The setting plays a crucial role in how this vehicle is perceived. Parked on the driveway of a modern luxury villa with glass architecture, the Corolla Cross feels perfectly at home. The clean lines of the building reflect off the pearl-white paint, enhancing the vehicle's premium presence. This isn't just a car, it's part of a lifestyle, a symbol of modern design, ambition, and refined taste. Now, step inside. The interior of this 2026 Corolla Cross concept is where technology meets comfort. The cabin feels driver-focused yet welcoming. Premium materials dominate the space, from the soft-touch dashboard surfaces to the refined leather seating. The digital instrument cluster presents information clearly and crisply, reinforcing the futuristic feel. From the driver's seat, everything feels intuitive. The steering wheel sits perfectly in hand, controls are thoughtfully placed, and the cabin layout encourages confidence behind the wheel. Ambient lighting flows subtly through the interior, adding depth and mood, especially in night drives. The front seats are designed for both comfort and style. Supportive bolstering meets luxury craftsmanship, making long drives feel effortless. Contrast stitching adds a premium touch, while the seat design balances sportiness with elegance. Move to the rear seats and you'll find surprising space. Legroom is generous and the seating position feels relaxed and comfortable. This reinforces what the Corolla Cross does best, combining everyday practicality with elevated design. Now, let's lift the hood. The engine bay represents the technological heart of this concept. Clean layout, modern engineering, and attention to detail define this space. Even without diving into specific performance numbers, the visual presentation alone communicates reliability and efficiency. It reflects Toyota's reputation for durable engineering, wrapped in a modern, future-focused package. Close-up views of the engine components reveal precision. Metallic textures, carefully routed components, and a sense of order reinforce the idea that this vehicle is built with purpose. This concept isn't just about power, it's about balance. Efficiency meets performance. Technology meets reliability. What truly sets this Corolla Cross apart is how it redefines expectations. Traditionally, the Corolla name is associated with dependability and practicality. This concept shows that those values can coexist with bold design and premium aesthetics. It proves that compact SUVs don't have to be boring. Imagine driving this version of the Corolla Cross through the city at night. The LED lights cut through the darkness, reflections dance across the pearl white paint, and the wide stance gives you confidence at every turn. Or picture it parked at a high-end location, quietly commanding attention without saying a word. This is a vehicle for those who want more than just transportation. It's for individuals who value design, presence, and innovation without sacrificing everyday functionality. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Pearl White Widebody concept represents a vision of what the future could look like. A future where compact SUVs feel exciting, where reliability meets luxury, where design speaks louder than words. So now the question is yours. Would you drive this version of the Corolla Cross? Would you choose bold design over ordinary expectations? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this cinematic showcase, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more premium automotive content. Because the future of cars isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about how it makes you feel along the way. And this feels special.